Didn't mean to stop recording, but the pile is growing. Now we have Big Mama, Dottie, Pac-Man, Miss Priss, and under them all, Shade. Oh, well, maybe we're not that. What do you think, Bruno? Were you done playing? Pac-Man is dead asleep, y'all. He's just cozy, comfy in the pile. Oh, isn't that cute? Miss Dottie Mae. Miss Dottie Mae. And this is Pac-Man showing Ladybug who's lost. Hey, Crystal. Hey, baby. Bruno. Dottie's on the pile now, and so is Big Mama. Alright, everybody, I think we're going to have to say good night, or good evening to the puppies. Most of them, at least, are, they're just conking out, man. So, good night, or good evening, Big Mama. Yeah? Get some sleep. Good night, Miss Priss. And Pac-Man. And under there is Shade. Dottie. Oh, Dottie Mae. Hey, Ken's girl. Say goodnight. She's a little devil. No, really. And Bruno. He's going to be a very little faithful companion. He's just right next to me the whole time. Alright, girl. Say bye, Bruno. Bruno, say bye. What are you doing? And I think that was everybody. Oh, hey, little girl, come here. Look, say bye-bye. Good night. Good night.